Whenever I'm in Brooklyn, if I have to take the train or the bus, or I have to walk, I always visit one of my favorite places, Fix You Plate, the buffet-style restaurant. On entering, after cleaning up, I head over to the buffet table where you find an extensive variety of almost everything. There's so many types of rice that you can choose. Then we go over to the proteins. You get chicken, so many types of fish, beef, oxtail, turkey. It's endless, done a variety of ways. Now it was time to make my choice, so I selected my container and headed over to the pastas. It looked so delicious, freshly made, and it smelled wonderful. So I got some veg pastas, plantain. I just went in on the vegetables. My choice of fish for the day was tilapia. It was soft and succulent and oh so good. The salad bar had the traditional salads, coleslaw, garden salad, sliced vegetables, but it also had an extra touch as it offered fresh fruits. After heading home, it was time to dig in. The food looked simply amazing. I was really happy with how I fixed my plate at one of my favorite restaurants, Fix You Plate. The food was indeed delicious. If you happen to be in the Brooklyn area, you must find Fix You Plate, the buffet-style restaurant.